Let's review examples how we are working with the CSV and the Parquet files in the Spark. So for that, we have an example here. We have a product CSV, which has the 4 columns, which is the product ID, name, category, and the stock. Let's read from that CSV. So our CSV is located in the root file. So let's read from that. And what it should show us, it should show us the data, and also it should infer the schema of that data. So let's go and see that it exactly works as we expected. So as you can see here, it read the CSV into the data frame, and it also inferred the schema for it. Now another one is that let's go and convert our CSV into the Parquet. Parquet is a columnar storage for file format. So let's convert it to the Parquet first. So it's converted. Now we have here our file, Parquet file, with all the files, right? Our actual data and our metadata. So let's see that what exactly is the Parquet, right? So for example, we have, let's say that the tabular data, we have a product ID, name, and the category. So how it's stored in the CSV? In the CSV, it's stored just a comma separated value, right? It's stored as a one row is the one row in the CSV is the one row in the columnar in our tabular data. But how is it stored in case of the Parquet? Well, in case of the Parquet, instead of storing the rows, we are storing actually the columns. So for example, in this case, what we are storing is first column is we are storing the IDs, the second column product name. It's a reverse how we are storing in the CSV. And what is the structure, right? Parquet file structure. The first one is that we have a success marker file, and also we have other metadata, but most importantly, we have the data files here. They are usually stored as a part 00, 01, 2, and so on, and the hash value and the following, right? So for example, if we go here, what is generated for us, we can see that exactly it matches what we expected to have. We have a success file, and we have our part file, right? So we have the hash code here, hash value, and we have the rest of the file. So now let's go. Now it's generated for us. The Parquet file is generated. Now let's go and read up from our Parquet file. So for that, let's run our code. So what it's going to do is it's again will read the data frame from the Parquet file, and it will show us the data, and it will show us the schema. So let's see it. So it's exactly the same as in the previous. It looks the same, right? So we read from the two different files. We read from the CSV and we read from the Parquet. So now instead of reading from the Parquet, let's write to the Parquet. So for that, what we are going to do, right? So we are going to read from the CSV, and we are going to write that to the Parquet. We are going to write that to the JSON, and we are going to write that to the CSV. So let's do that. So it wrote for us, right? It created for us what? It created for us the output file. And in the output file, as we can see here, we have a CSV file. We have a CSV file with our data. So we have a JSON file with our data. And also we have the Parquet file.